You have been breathing your whole life, every single minute, every single day, and you probably never thought about it once. But here is something that will change that. The way you breathe right now is directly changing what your brain is doing right now. Not slowly, not over time. Right now, in this moment, your breathing is telling your brain whether to be calm or anxious, whether to focus or panic, whether to think clearly or fall apart. And the most shocking part, you can change your brain's state in as little as 60 seconds just by changing how you breathe. No medication, no therapy, no special equipment, just your breath. And the science behind this is more powerful than most people ever realize. Here is how it actually works inside the brain. Your brain is always looking for one thing: are we safe right now or are we in danger? And one of the main signals it uses to answer that question is your breathing. Think about it this way. When you are scared or anxious, what happens to your breathing? It gets fast, short, shallow, and when you are relaxed and safe, it gets slow, deep, steady. Your brain learned this connection millions of years ago. Fast breathing means danger. Slow breathing means safety. And here is the remarkable thing. That connection works both ways. Your emotions change your breathing, but your breathing also changes your emotions. The brain cannot always tell which one came first. It just responds to the signal it receives. Send a fast breathing signal, the brain prepares for danger. Send a slow breathing signal, the brain relaxes and opens up. When breathing is fast and shallow, the brain gets a very specific message. Something is wrong, stay alert, be ready. So it fires up the alarm system, the same part of the brain that responds to fear. Anxiety goes up. Focus goes down, the ability to think clearly drops, memory gets harder to access. Decision-making becomes worse. Brain scans have actually shown this. When people breathe fast, activity in the brain's fear center increases. Researchers also found something surprising. People become more sensitive to fear when they are breathing quickly. Not because anything scary is happening, just because the breathing is fast. The brain sees the signal and prepares for a threat that is not even there. Now here is the good part. Slow breathing does the complete opposite. When breathing slows down, the brain receives a different signal entirely. Everything is okay, relax, open up. The alarm system quiets down, anxiety drops, focus improves, memory becomes easier to access, thinking becomes clearer. There is a nerve in the body called the vagus nerve. Think of it as a direct phone line between the body and the brain. When you breathe slowly, especially when the breath out is longer than the breath in, it activates the vagus nerve. And the vagus nerve tells the brain, calm down, you are safe. Scientists in 2024 actually discovered the exact brain circuit that does this, a specific group of brain cells that connects breathing to emotional control. When this circuit is active, breathing slows and anxiety drops. When it is switched off, breathing speeds up and anxiety rises. This is not a belief. This is not a trend, this is biology. So what does this mean for real life? It means the next time you feel anxious, before an exam, before a presentation, before any moment that makes you nervous, you do not have to wait for the feeling to pass. You can change it. Right now, in under a minute, here is the simplest way to do it. Breathe in for 4 seconds. Breathe out for 6 seconds. That is it. The breath out is longer than the breath in. That longer exhale is what activates the vagus nerve. That is what sends the calm signal to the brain. Do this for just 1 minute, and research shows your anxiety will drop, your focus will improve, and your brain will shift from threat mode to thinking mode. Students who do this before exams give their brain better conditions to remember what they know. Athletes who do this before competing give their automatic skills the calm they need to run. Anyone who does this in a stressful moment is literally sending their brain a message: we are safe. Think clearly. Perform. You have been breathing your whole life, every single minute, every single day. And this whole time, your breath has been quietly shaping what your brain does, how you feel, how you think, how you perform. Most people never knew that, but now you do, and that changes everything. Because the most powerful tool for calming your brain, sharpening your focus, and improving how you perform under pressure has been with you your entire life. You were just never told how to use it. Now you know. Thank you for watching until the end. Most people do not. Subscribe if you want more honest science about the most powerful thing you will ever own, your brain.